a job in it all.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As stated, I said that I was gonna come back and show you how I install my passion twist. So I'm basically about done, but I left, let me see, one out so that I can show you how I install it. So basically all you need is a crochet hook, which I had to find because I haven't did crochets in a minute. You need some hair. I did passion twist tutorial, how to make the passion twist. So I did use passion twist, the DIYs that I had made and showed you guys what I was doing on my live a few days ago, but I ran out and I was too lazy to make more, so I got some Fox Locks hair. You basically take the Fox Locks and you separate it to make it into two because that's too big to make a passion twist. So, and then you need Gorilla Snot. And I basically used almost the whole jar. Well, you can't see, but it's about at the bottom. And you take your hair and you rubber band it. I'm gonna turn all the way around so I can show you. First, what you wanna do is, after like pulling and stretching the hair out, you wanna get your Gorilla Snot. Let me move this out the way. You want to open up your Gorilla Snot and you want to take some and put it on the hair. You don't want to put too much because you still want to be able to grip the hair. And this hair was basically close to my hair texture. Those packages of synthetic hair that I received, I only used one pack. And then I had went over to, I was using a whole bunch of different kinds of hair. I got Senegalese twists, folks, crochet hair in my head. I have synthetic hair in my head, the regular, you know, straight synthetic hair that I stretched. And then I have the Fox Locks hair in my head. I basically just take a rubber band on a small portion of my hair. And I'm gonna show you now how I did it. I'm gonna turn around so that you can see, hope and see it properly. I take, see it's rubber band. I make sure it's, you know, somewhat tight, because then you can always tighten it up. You push it through like that. You make sure that the hook is open. You take the hair, you put it on, you close the hook like that, and you pull one part through. Take the hook out. You get the hair. Just be mindful that I can't see what I'm doing. And then I'm grabbing my Gorilla Snot and I'm putting some on my hair. Well, a lot. And then I separate it. At the same time, I'm tightening it. And then I just twist. And then I turn it like this. and then I twist. You want to make sure you twist it somewhat tight because you don't want it to unravel. And then I'll turn back to you since you saw the beginning so that I can finish twisting. And back up some. Move over this way so I can stretch it out. A lot of people take their hair to like hold it in place and put it in their mouth, but there's gorilla snot on it and that's nasty. I'm not putting it in my mouth. Not even to let my lips hold it because that's nasty. You want to keep making sure that the hair is not tangled. While you're pulling it out. What I was doing before was to make sure that it was secure, was clipping it onto the rest of my hair. Because sometimes, since I didn't braid first, it will unravel in the beginning. Like, see? I originally started out with it like really like tight like this. And then eventually it just opens up. Some people do this. They do like that to make sure, oh, I just lost it. To make sure that it gets a little messy. Like you twist and then you go like that. Pull up, they call it. I need more gorilla snot because the hair is a bit dry. You want to twist, add it. And I'm also going to be spraying Gots to Be on it. And if you're wondering what I use on my scalp, it was coconut oil. I'm trying a few things because I always get severe itchy scalp. And I don't care about the hairs that's sticking out or if you can see the rubber bands, which you can barely see them, but I don't really care. I just wanted a nice protective style. More gorilla snot. I started this Thursday, like in the middle of the night, like 12 or so. And I'm now finishing. This is my last twist. Then I get to do like how I want to style it. And this is pretty long. The package, you know, the Fox locks, you just, you know, hook it in and that's it. But me, since I was doing it this way, I separated it apart to make it to two. And actually it makes it go a long way. And then when you get to the end like this, you pull off the extra hair. You take a little bit more of the gorilla snot, see? And you put that on the end. It really does look like snot too. This is my first time using this. I usually do like this so that it'll curl. And I'm gonna show you how I make sure that it curls. I'm gonna take this out, because I had this like this all day. My plan was to actually dip it in hot water, but when you do it like that, it automatically curls. But the one that I just did, I can't find it. Oh, here it is. See? It already curled. The Gorilla Snot made it curl. You can see it. But to make sure that it's curled, I take one of my duck clips and I take it and I just wrap it around as if it was a roller. Like that. And then you clip it in and you just let it sit for a while. And then you unravel it. Let me stand up so that you can see. It's been rolled up in that clip for hours. Well, since yesterday. So I didn't want to be all night twisting. So it's about, they say 24 inches with the synthetic hair. But the way I did it, I made it to like 26. And I'm pretty tall, so let me see if I can show you better. See? It's my butt. It's by my butt, so. And now, I want to make sure I show you, I'm sorry, it's cold down here. Even with the heat on. Okay, now that I have it all complete, all of my hair is complete, I'm gonna take out my clips. I'm gonna unravel all of this hair. And I'm gonna show you briefly how you can style it. First, I want to make sure I finger comb it all out. It's so pretty. And I did this by myself. And if you see any like unraveling, you just twist it like this and like you would clip it for a while. You'll probably spray some spritz and that'll be it. But when you do twist it like this and put it like, you see this one? I use gray hair too. So if you can see, this one is not perfectly curled. So I would take that one and put it with this and just wrap it around. And take whatever like holding spray you might have. Right now near me, I have spritz. And you can just take it and just spray it like that so it can stay. And this will look really cute on my mother. Marisol, if you, Marisol, which is also my mother, if you're watching, I think that this will look really pretty in your hair. I have a few that I have to probably curl up to dip into hot water. Like these, the gray ones. Like this one is not curled enough for me. So those two, I would do the same thing. I would take one of my duck clips and I would roll it. Cause I just want the ends curly. I don't want the whole thing like curly, because when you have it too curly, it kind of shortens it. And I like my hair long, so. And again, you take the spritz like that, and you just do like that. And as far as like accessories go, I have this. I got this in with one of my you know, hair when I was like doing like making wigs or whatever, or reviewing wigs. they always give you like cool accessories. So you can easily take it and go like that. That's cute. And also keep it out of your face. So and the back, I made the front. I don't know if you guys have this problem, but my chair always gets caught on my curtain on the bottom, so I always have to move it. But anyway, I forgot what I was saying. But yeah, if you have like parts that's like unraveling, you can figure out which way it's turning and go like that, and then take a clip and you clip it. But when you clip it to something else, because if you clip it by itself, it's gonna move. So I'm not gonna do an edge tutorial because I don't have any. I have no edges. But on them little bit of edges that I do have, you could take a little bit of the Gorilla Snot, and which this doesn't slip down my hair at all. It works for a lot of people, but not me. Don't work for me. But this is my final product. If you guys want to see more styles that can be done with these princess, what is that? What are the passion twists? I don't know what you guys might call them. Just twists, or some of them I did, can't find it. This one looks like a dreadlock. You know how you have a dreadlock and then it's like this? But that wasn't my intention. And that's Senegalese twist. So when you run out of hair, you get kind of, and my hair is showing through this one. But you can see the difference. This is regular synthetic straight hair. I can also take this one and curl it like that. And then you want to make sure you spray it. You leave that there for maybe a few hours if you're not going to dip it in hot water, and then you just style it as normal. Now you could leave your hair down like this, or you can put it up. You could do a half up, half down. Half up, half down. Or you could put all of your hair up. It's like so faux and pretty. I might make this one of the pictures in my video. Let me see. Or even with the clips in, I'm still trying to show y'all different ways to style it. You can put it in a bun like this, or you could just leave it down. You could leave it down the middle like this, but I like it to the side, so do it like this. So cute. So thumbs me up if you enjoyed this mini tutorial. I know I did show you guys how I make the passion twist so that you don't have to go out and spend money like $20 a pack for the actual twist thing, or I don't know, sometimes it's like $7, $8, $9 a pack when you can buy cheap hair like $2 a pack and you can make your own passion twist. So if you learned anything from this video, please comment down below and let me know. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and yeah, leave me comments. I love you guys, and thank you for 3,050 subscribers. I'm going up daily, so I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. New videos every week, so make sure you hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
All the girls wanna play Baywatch. I got a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'm a dive.